Oh, diba? Siyempre, that one's very, idol namin yan since back then. First cover namin, diba? Song nila. And to have like, Kuya, to have Kuya Carl's guidance through Zoom. Sobrang honored kami, and that day really, he showed us who he really is. And yeah, we got to know him. That was like a memorable impression for me because it showed na
ako siguro medyo na-shock lang ako kasi especially kay Jax. Kasi nung time na dati pa wala pa ako sa industry na to, may napanood akong favorite ko yung song na Silver is Dead. Napanood ko siya doon, tapos nung nakita ko yung The Ones, parang familiar siya, parang ganun, siya pala yun.
Paano yung Silver is Dead? Paano nga yan? Paano ba yan?
Just